This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Thanks for catching that error, that issue.
And that's not, while we're at it, that's not the current version of a string lookup tool.
Oh, okay, I will update it.
Yeah, I think you need to look at all the tools. They're not.
Oh, okay.
And that's an interesting point. How are you going to maintain the
I think
tools?
I will create a skill to update them.
We'll have to think about the long run of the individual files, Connie.
Yeah, yeah. I just in my testing today, I found quite a few problems with the tools. That's as far as I've gotten.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got a list for them. I don't want to go over in the hero call, but I'll finish the list and send it to you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Awesome.
Let me show you one other one. I don't know how many people here are still using like projects in a browser. But I realized it's like, hey, why don't I come into like I have an AutoHotkey project for the newsletter where what I do is I feed it the HTML file and it has a bunch of file resources for like our courses and our links and YouTube videos and the AutoHotkey help, and it will go through and catch errors. I tell it I have instructions on to look for grammar, don't change meaning, but look for grammar, look to see if I included stuff. So it does it, and then I just walk through it so it cleans up the newsletter. It's much easier for me to publish. But I don't want to be in ChatGPT anymore and coming here to have to do this. And I'm like, why can I but it's handy having the instructions, but I just came in and said, hey, let me go back to here. So I just came into my own project and told it to convert it to a skill so I don't have to do this. And it wrote me my skill.
Right.
So then I just went into Claude and imported it. And then I said, hey, I have these JSON files that have live connections to the links, pretty links into our YouTube stuff. So it will go read that now and stuff. But it was a great way to get out of having projects if you don't want them. Like if you're enjoying using VS Code with Claude, it just hadn't occurred to me if like I could tell it, convert this thing to a skill. And the other one that was great, that was hilarious, is my writing skill. I did the same thing. Because I had given it a bunch of I really don't like how they implement this, but I gave it a bunch of my past newsletters a long time ago and said, hey, create a writing style for me, right? So I can have it use my style to write stuff. Well, this morning I said, hey, go create a skill out of that stuff. And I was reading this and it was like a psychiatrist had evaluated me and stuff. Wow, this is so spot on me. Like I'm not corporate formal academic. I'm like, oh, this is so true of
Oh,
everything.
that's so interesting. I'll try that. Let me see what it says about me.
It was really interesting. Yeah. Yeah. I was like, that is wild. But now I brought this skill into, so I told Irfan I created 4 new newsletter skills this morning. And I gave them all that kind of same name, so it's in case it needs to, if I need to type it, I know how it starts. But yeah, it was just hilarious of what the insights on myself I got from reading this. I'm like, oh, that's funny.